Yes. So we're constructing an angle bisector. So in order to construct an angle bisector, you need to start off with an angle. Again, it doesn't matter what the angle measure is, because typically if you want to bisect something, it's already given to you. So here's an angle. I'm going to call this angle A. And I want to be able to construct a bisector to cut angle A exactly in half. Now again in class we said, well, Ms. Torres, I could just take this, I could line up my zero, line up my point with A, and then I can measure. But you'll notice here on this example, if you zoom in, it's in between two of the hash marks. So that angle measure is not a perfect one. It cannot easily be measured. So to come up with an angle bisector, you take out your handy dandy compass. The first step is to take your compass point and place it on your angle, your vertex. Okay. You can do this as small or large as you want. The larger the better. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to put some pressure down on A so it doesn't slip, and I'm going to create an arc. So I created that arc, and that arc creates 2 points of intersection. These are points B and C. Now this is the fun part. We created a point of reference, 2 points of reference. We're now going to use those 2 points of reference. We know that AB is equal to AC, because this would be similar to the center of a circle, and this is just the arc of a circle, so AB is a radius and AC is a radius. So I'm going to take my compass, and it doesn't have to be the same measure, but it's my belief if I don't have to change it, then don't change it. So I'm going to take the compass point now and put it on one of my points of reference. I'm going to create a random arc out in the middle, space in between my two lines, my two rays, AC and AB. Good so far? Okay. Can you guess what I'm about to do now?
You're about to make another arc?
I'm going to make another arc, but this time using what as my endpoint? C. I tried to switch hands, but that wasn't going to work. So, same hand. Now I'm holding firmly at point C without touching the pencil. And it makes a funky curved X. That curved X has a point of intersection. I'm going to call that point of intersection X. Now what?
You
Make
draw
sure you
a
get it to
line from
postulate
A
one.
to X.
Postulate 1.
Postulate 1. Through any 2 points you have a
Straight line.
straight line.
So AX is the bisector, right?
So yes, AX is the bisector. So I'm going to go and write that out now. That AX, which is a ray, notice that designation, there's only one arrowhead point there, is a bisector of, and now I can't just say measure A anymore, because now there's multiple angles that you can create. So I'm going to name it measure B, A, C.